In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer WhatsApp from an Android to Android device. First, on the old phone, you go to the settings and enter the chats, and then go to the transfer chats, press start, and it will show a brief loading, and then it will ask you to scan a QR code on the new phone. Now on the new phone, press agree and continue after you install WhatsApp, and then just allow the notifications, enter your phone number like usual, and then press next. It will say connecting, and then sometimes it might ask you to enter your fingerprint, and then it will show you a QR code to be scanned with the old phone. Now with the old phone, you scan the QR code, and then it will jump to this screen where it is transferring the data wirelessly. In my case, my data is about 4 to 5 gigabytes and it takes around 15 minutes to complete. Just leave the phone open with that WhatsApp apps. After the transfer is done, it will ask you to complete the setup on the new phone, and on the new phone, press next, and it will show you your profile info. Double check, make sure your picture and the name is okay, and then it will show you a brief loading. It says finishing setup, and then after that, all your chat are already here. Just double check last time to make sure. Go to settings on WhatsApp, and then scroll down a bit, go to storage and data, manage storage, and then make sure you see roughly the size that you have seen before. So in my case here is 4.4 gigabytes, and it makes sense. So that's all I have for you today. Thank you guys. Subscribe.